digital photographic protocols. Our clinical photography has got to be one of the most important records that we can take and is an essential prerequisite to creating a complete clinical survey of our patients. And unlike many of the other digital technologies that we can implement in practice, which are automated or can self-correct, clinical photography still requires a significant degree of user input and skill in order to produce photographs that are clinically relevant, diagnostic, and communicative. All clinical records and the treatment that follows begins and ends with clinical photography. And it really is impossible to examine, diagnose, treatment plan, present, execute, and document any type of dental intervention without a full suite of dental photographs. And our photographs can be so rich in information, they become one of the most useful communication tools we've got at our disposal. And it really doesn't matter what the application is, there's nothing quite like a visual medium for you to communicate your message. Whether it's to your patients, to your laboratory, to your peers, or even for you to review your own work. Beyond that, no amount of written documentation can convey clinical success or failure quite like photographs. And that's especially true when you use post-processing software to manipulate and enhance data to extract details that we can easily miss in a clinical environment. And with the advancements of digital technology and media, the uses for our photography have exponentially multiplied. You've really got to start with high quality, high resolution, and highly detailed photographs. And if you get your dental photography right, I really believe that everything else will follow. And if we really want to develop our clinical photography, we've got to understand all the different applications that we can have for it. And we've got to create a photographic protocol that can suit and be applied to all of these. The bottom line is photography is all about communication. And high-quality clinical photographs are going to expand our ability to communicate. So I'm going to start with a brief overview of what I think are some important applications of digital photography and how we apply these to clinical practice.